Sticking in the courtroom with the same office, a judge has ruled that Attorney General Raúl Labrador must testify under oath in a lawsuit. And this is a lawsuit brought by a former deputy who was in his office who alleges that she was wrongfully terminated. Aspen Shumpert breaks down the lawsuit and why the AG is set to be questioned.
Daphne Wong worked under the Attorney General's office since 2012. She was promoted to lead deputy of the Health and Human Services Division in 2021 and remained in the role until she was fired in 2023. She says she was terminated as a result of voicing ethical concerns regarding client representation. She claims she was terminated within 3 hours of submitting written documents of her ethical concerns. Some concerns of hers include a personal friendship Labrador allegedly had with the grandfather in a child protection case, and being pressured to violate attorney-client privilege by revealing confidential information. The lawsuit alleges explicit violations of the Whistleblower Act, which safeguards government employees who report suspected violations or law, rule, or regulation. The Attorney General's office requested a protection order that would have prevented Labrador from being deposed in this case. But the ruling by Judge Jonathan Medema partially rejected the protection order. That means Labrador will need to answer questions under oath regarding the circumstances of Wong's termination. The Attorney General's office has denied claims that Wong was terminated in retaliation for her speaking up. Wong is seeking reinstatement to her position, back pay, and benefits, as well as damages for emotional distress. A spokesperson for the Attorney General's office did issue this statement to us, saying in part, quote, "The effect to compel the Attorney General's deposition runs counter to well-established legal principles that shield high-ranking government officials from precisely this type of litigation-driven harassment. All relevant information can be obtained through alternative sources, making such a deposition unnecessary." Additionally, Labrador is exploring other legal avenues to challenge the court's order. Joe, this case is proceeding with a trial set to be in August of this year.
It'll be interesting to see what legal filings the Labrador's office could put up before that would either come to a settlement without a jury trial and to avoid the deposition, because I know that depositions, there are a lot of things that come up, so it'll be interesting to see what happens there.
Yeah.
Okay, Aspen Shumpert, thanks so much.